Hey guys, and welcome back. So today I wanted to tell you guys how to find the best product to sell on Etsy. And no, there is no software, no, there is no research tools, there is none of that. What it comes down to really is how you market your product. Now, being in the print on demand space, there's so many options for different kinds of products that we can put our designs on. And it can be anywhere from t-shirts to posters to furniture to socks. So the range is really big. Now, finding the best product means that you pick a product and you follow specific guidelines. Now, all products sell well, but currently we are kind of in a little bit of a finicky financial state in at least the United States, right? We have inflation rates super high, we have debt super high, we have a lot of different things like unemployment super high. So there's a lot of different things that are going on in the economy right now. So recession proofing your shop is going to be really important. And when I say recession proofing a shop, that doesn't mean you can't do the fun, cute Etsy designs that you've been wanting to do. What it does mean though is, let's take shirts and hoodies, for example, because a lot of people, including myself, have done that niche and been very successful in it for personal use. Yet, when you start seeing sales drop off and start noticing the economy is not in the right place, you're going to want to pivot or add these things to your shop initially. And this can apply to really any of the realms of print on demand. So let's take the shirts and hoodies, like I said, as an example. In recession proofing those listings, what you are going to want to do is almost create a listing for a business. So create a listing that shows random logo on a shirt and market it to businesses, right? Reduce the price, increase the maximum order quantity, and then sell to businesses. Same goes with mugs and even posters, which is going to be my new space on Etsy. I am merging into the posters print on demand because I think that will be really fun. But even with posters, creating listings that say staging posters, staging artwork, staging furniture, things like that can make my shop more recession proof. Business won't fully go away, but personal consumption might decrease. So you want to make sure that you have listings for the personal use for people's homes and listings that say for staging, market your product in several different ways, because one of those ways may stick and it may transform your entire shop over time. It might transform it completely business oriented, right? Mugs for businesses, mugs for clients, all those kind of things. And in addition to doing that, you'll be selling in larger quantities, because most of the time businesses don't order one mug with their logo, they order a bunch of mugs with their logo. Same goes for pens, anything like that you can think of. There is going to be a way to recession proof it. Now, I think that is really important for any product type you choose, and there is visibility pretty much on all custom product types on Etsy. Now, the space that I'm currently moving into, like I mentioned, is the posters, the print on demand posters. So not only will I target home staging as well as things for personal homes, but having the added element of customized products really gives you an edge up on Etsy. People typically go to Etsy for custom products. That is going to be their first stop for something custom. So if you guys are selling ready to go print on demand posters, that's great. They might sell. Also create some for staging, home staging. But in addition to that, creating a product that can be customized, whether it's your children's names or something of that sort, is going to be really helpful in having an Etsy shop. Now, this does mean more work, but with the customization process, you can also increase your pricing because of it's going to cost you more work. So overall, guys, I think it is really important that no matter what print on demand category you guys choose to sell in, or even if it's not print on demand, even if you're selling a physical good, which I've also done on Etsy for my dog ice cream business, which I'll put the link down below, guys, because that is my main business. It's going to be really important to figure out the right keywords, the right target audience to keep the money flowing in when personal consumption starts to slow. So keeping that in mind for whatever product type you choose, guys, is going to be really important. Now, there are tools out there like Alora and Merch Informers and all of these other programs that can show you the best selling products currently on Etsy, and they typically are customizable products. So make sure when you are choosing what kind of product to sell on Etsy that you are choosing something that is going to work, number one, in a personal sense, in a recession sense, as well as in a customizable sense. So you should at least have a couple listings that are for customization, because that is truly the main key to success, guys. Overall, that is the little lowdown on choosing the right products. So there really is no answer on which product type you should choose. Of course, always do your research. And I will be talking about production partners in some of my next videos, because there are some drastic differences between the different production partners, as I've used several different types of production partners. So I'm going to give you guys a little rundown, but make sure to check the pricing across production partners. Check the availability, check the stock, check the sizes, because all of this could help make your life so much easier in starting a new Etsy shop. So thank you guys so much for watching Marielle's Hustles. Make sure to click the like, click the subscribe, comment below. I would greatly appreciate it, and I hope you have a wonderful day.